Good morning. So it is 8:30 a.m. here in Mexico City, and right now I'm here in La Condesa, and this is one of my two favorite spots in Mexico City here, along with Aroma, which is adjacent to it, and you may have heard of it and seen footage of it from the Roma movie. But today we're headed to my favorite breakfast spot, and one of the reasons I am here in Mexico City, which is this Panaderia Rosetta, and it's found right here in the heart of Roma. So we'll check it out. It is a French bakery. It's one of the probably best bakeries you'll find outside of France, especially in Mexico. So this is a very famous avenue called Avenida Obregón, or Obregón Avenue, and it divides Roma in half, and this avenue is packed with amazing restaurants. A lot of really good places are on this avenue, so if you're walking down the street, make sure to check it out. Hop into one of the bars or restaurants here. Gin right there, actually on the corner. This is a great bar, and there's a bunch of other bars nearby that are really good too. And I think I just realized that I misspoke earlier, because I am actually in Roma, not in Condesa. I guess it's way too early. This is like earlier than I get up. So yeah, we are actually in Roma right now. Here you can see some of the architecture the city is famous for, and that I love here in Mexico City. It's beautiful windows, doors. I'm obsessed with doors actually and windows. I don't know why, but I am. And you'll see a lot of really beautiful stuff all over the city like this. A lot of people don't also realize this, but this is actually a famous place here, which is an ice cream spot. You should check it out. But a lot of people don't realize that the bakery also has a restaurant, which is this one here. So if you're ever in the area, you should also check it out. I haven't had a chance to yet, because I always end up going to the bakery itself. But if you watched the Netflix special, you've heard about that, or you know about it. If you haven't, well, now you do. And the bakery itself is right there, and it looks like they built out a really nice patio out there, which looks super cool. Always be careful crossing streets in Mexico, because pedestrians do not have a right of way here. It's not how it works. Oh, and it looks like they've actually fully expanded. Holy crap. Okay, I didn't realize. So this wasn't here last August when I came. So it looks like they've actually changed quite a bit from last time I was here. They even have a proper menu, proper seating here. There's seats for, I don't know, a lot of people here, which they didn't used to have. I used to just go to a park nearby, and now they have like this full-blown menu. Actually it's all in English, which doesn't surprise me, because I'm assuming a lot of gringos come here. But take a look at some of these prices and the menu. So the prices are in pesos, obviously, not in dollars. So about 40 pesos here, that's going to be $2. 20 pesos is $1 as of today, which is, August 16, 2021. So those are the prices there. About $5 for a brioche loaf, sweetbreads, all sorts of sweetbreads here. And of course, you got the obligatory music, which is fun the first time, and it gets really old the second and third and 20th time. So the music just stopped, and they came by to ask for money, of course. I didn't give them any, because I don't have any change on me, and of course they throw a little insult under their breath as they walk away. So be prepared for that, but if you don't speak Spanish, you probably won't notice it. I actually ended up getting myself something called golden milk, which is coconut milk with cardamom and anise. So I'm curious what that's going to be like. It sounds really good, on paper at least. And also, if you're looking to just do takeout, you can get in a line here, right there. You can see the markings on the cement. So you can do that, and they'll call your name right here. whenever it's ready. And there's actually a park right around the corner here if you go that way. And you can take a seat out there and enjoy it next to the water fountain if that's still open. Okay, my golden milk just arrived. This looks fantastic. At least it looks very, very delicious. It's very cold here in the morning in Mexico City in August, so hot drink will feel very, very nice. So let's give this a try really quickly. See, it smells very cardamom-y and anise. It's not very sweet at all. Actually, I think it needs sugar. I don't think they sweeten it, but it is very good. I expected it to be like hot chocolate, but I guess it's not. It's just hot milk without sugar. So I'm gonna add some sugar to sweeten it up. So as I was about to sweeten this, my food just arrived and we got this wonderful sandwich here. It is a pork something or another, I forgot what it is. Pork, avocado, and I think that's it, and ciabatta. That is good. The bread's fresh, it's crunchy, nicely grilled. You see these grill marks. And good amounts of pork here. My mouth's watering as I'm eating this thing. It's so good. And the golden milk is much better once you add some sugar. I got a packet of this raw sugar in there. I'm gonna do another packet. I love sweet. As you'll discover through all my videos, I love desserts. So all in all, we got 205 pesos total for two things, the sandwich and the milk. One thing you'll consistently see here in Mexico City is all the dogs. People love dogs and love their dogs here. And there's a lot of gorgeous looking dogs around here. Currently, I live actually in Monterrey, which has barely any dogs at all. They're not very dog friendly, but they're also not friendly people, so it kind of makes sense. It goes hand in hand, right? Ironically, actually, I have a cat, so I think I always wanted a dog, but it's just too much work, and turns out even a cat is too much work for me, so I don't know. I feel like maybe I need like to have an ant colony or something like that. Before we go, just a couple of things to note is this street that Rosetta is on is actually very famous for a lot of clothing stores and shops. So one of them is this 180 degree shop. Has a lot of nice clothes in there, and if you keep going that way or this way, you'll run into a lot more of these sorts of boutiques. So I would definitely check that out if you're around here. If you're not in the mood to eat at the restaurant, you can always come back here, which is just behind the corner here, or around the corner I should say. And this is Plaza Rio de Janeiro. You'll see a lot of people hanging out. Well, I guess they're doing boxing. You'll see a ton of dogs. Oh, there come the gorgeous dogs from the restaurant. And you got this beautiful statue of David here as well. You can take a seat here or any of the number of benches all around here. As I was saying, gorgeous dogs all around. So that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. And if you didn't, well, tough luck, I guess. And please come back for more videos. Until next time, live long and I can't do it on the left hand. Live long and prosper.